for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back into another video. Gorgeous, you are welcome. So today I'm revealing this unit from RecoolHair. So the wig is 22 inches and the density is 200 density. The hair is chocolate brown color, 13x4 lace wig, and his body wave. You can see the hairline. How gorgeous is that hairline? If you are a lazy type like me, or you don't know how to pluck hair, you don't even need to bother because the wig came pre-plucked. Look at how gorgeous the color is. Ooh, Lord, this is so lovely. It came with some combs and adjustable strap. This lace is Swiss lace. They attach little lace at the back. You can see the combs is about 4 combs, and that is the adjustable strap. Hello gorgeous, she's looking kinky, smiling face. Yeah,
Where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
you guys know, I've been working with RecoolHair for a long time. After using hairbrush legs on the wig, that is the color, and that's perfect. Okay, you guys know I'm lazy, I don't bleach my knot, so it's easy. I use hairbrush legs on my lace and it's perfect. I cut off the excess lace and the installation begins. Okay, so gorgeous, thank you so much. If it's your first time here, please, before you go, subscribe. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. I used got-to-be glue and gel to install this wig.
The part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now.
All the information about this unit will be on the description box. Check that out in case if you are interested. This wig, the color is so perfect, so gorgeous, so stunning. My first time of installing this kind of color, and it complements my skin. Yes, I'm in for this wig. You can straighten this hair, you can leave it wavy, you can do it whatever way you like. It's up to you. Once you buy this wig, it's yours, so you can do whatever you like with it. All right guys, catch you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Don't forget, all the information about this unit will be on the description box. Check that out in case if you are interested. Bye.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, I need you right now, no, right now. Where you at right now? I lose it when it comes to you, and there's nothing I can do. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do. 난 네가 필요해 right now. 너 기다리고 있잖아. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do.
Yeah, 새벽 2시 I've been thinking about you all the time. Racing through my mind, speeding like the Autobahn. I've been searching everywhere, 근데 네가 없잖아. 문자 보낼게 making time even when I'm on the grind. Now hold up, 나 아직 걸려. 처음 만났을 때부터 지금까지 떨려. All my days I be on the way. 걱정하지 마, my baby. Everything is gonna be okay, that's my lady. 사실대로 말할게, 나 요즘 고민 많이 해. We on different continents, you know that my 고집세. Checking on my phone. Oh, you called again, 계속 놓친 phone call. You know I'm sick of playing games. You could hide your feelings, but you know that I've been seeking that. 그러지 말아줘, my baby, 그게 너무 싫은데. 나만 바라봐, want you only look at me how. You've been on my mind, drive me crazy, look at me now.
I lose it when it comes to you, and there's nothing I can do. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do. 난 네가 필요해 right now. 널 기다리고 있잖아. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do.
Wait, K, 자꾸 네 생각해. 문자를 보낼 때 넌 계속 모르는 척해. I'm on my own, but I got 20 things that I gotta say. And I've been drowning in my thoughts daily. 네 생각에 I lose it when it comes to you. Something about you that I'm so into. 늦었지만 gotta tell the truth. 매일매일 생각나, look what you made me do. My apologies, 갑자기 마음이 got a lot of hit lottery. Come to me 지금 바로. We could speed on the streets with the Wario, the Lambo. 지금 머릿속에 네가 살아있는 게 a problem, yeah. And I've been think about it. I'm out of time with 99 problems, think about it. 만약에 우리 지금부터 시작이라면 you don't have to worry about a thing. I'll show you how it's done, yeah.
I lose it when it comes to you, and there's nothing I can do. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do. 난 네가 필요해 right now. 널 기다리고 있잖아. I want you to look at me now. Look what you made me do. 너 말곤 필요 없어. 내가 미워도 돌아서면 또 널 찾는다. 너 빼곤 필요 없어. 애들지 말고 어서 내 손